One of those fun jobs to tackle. I've opened up the engine because the camshaft seals, front seals, are gone. And someone has obviously tinkered with this before. And the Torx drive heads of 2 out of 3 bolts are gone. This is the VVT mechanism, by the way, on the inlet cam. I need to take off this cover in order to get through the bolt to get the gear off. So I need to drill out these heads because I've tried gripper bits, I've tried everything. They don't come off. I have to drill them out. And what I did is I take a plastic bin liner, garbage bag, and I made the smallest possible hole that would just snugly fit over the gear. And I'm going to drill it out, drill the bolts out, and I'm going to pull the bag back over the drill. And as you can see, anything that comes out of the drill bit is not going anywhere. At least that's the plan. It's better than nothing. So the first one came out cleanly, and I do still need to remove the remainder of the bolt that's in there. But I hope, and I beg to anything and pray to anything I don't believe in, that won't be stuck. Because the other screw, the screw that came out normally, once it had turned like 1/8 of a turn, I could turn it off by my fingers. So I hope that the thread is not locked. I think, and I hope, that the inside is just, it was pulled tight, and now there's not tight anymore. So I hope I can just turn that out. As you can see, all the debris is in the bag. So far so good. So the second one came out easily, just the same way. Now I'm able to remove the gear. You can see the central bolt in the middle. And then remove the plastic very carefully, not spilling anything. And I can work out the little thread ends that are still in there on the workbench. So it looks promising. Fingers crossed it'll come out easily. So the gear is off. And now I need to extract the little rod pieces, that are threaded pieces that are still in there. But I'm going to do that on the workbench. At least this part's done, and all the debris is in the bag, all the metal shavings. So the bag's going in the bin, where it belongs. So I'm successful. I have a little grab bit, which is turning left hand rotation, not right hand. Maybe I can show that. So it's a special bit that drills and grabs at the same time. And I extracted little 2 pieces. The gear is clean, ready to go. I just need to source these little screws. And I don't think I can get them Torx drives locally, but I need the car to drive again tonight, as usual. So just do the local hardware store, same thread, same head, just probably Allen key or something like that. But I'm happy it's out. Yay.